friends, welcome to certificationdude.com. I have come with a new video. This video has comes with a big offer because today I will tell you about Microsoft Premium Professional Certification in free in this video. You can save thousands by this video and also you can share with your friends to take this opportunity. If you check in Microsoft official website, you will see Microsoft has provide time to time different certification like AI engineer, data engineer, data analyst, DevOps engineer, data scientist, app maker. Here you will get courses content for free. You can read and take learning, but if you want certification, then you will have to face online exam. Here you will have to pay some charges, but today I will tell you about 7 paid certification like this where you don't need to pay anything. You can afford this at free of cost because Microsoft has launched a program. From this program you can take this certification at free of cost. But before telling about this program, I want to request everyone, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more certification related update. I have already showed you if you want certification from Microsoft platform, you will need to pay some charges, but Microsoft launches a offer program, the Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenge. Here you will have to complete a challenge. By this way you will get certification. In Microsoft platform you will get free courses. There you have to complete course modules. After that you can take this certification exam for free. But before this you have to register in this program. Only then you will get free certificates. If you take free course directly in Microsoft website, you will not get certificate. But if you register in this program, you will be eligible to take certification also after completing your course. Here you can see 7 challenges and these are the 7 certification. The first one is infrastructure related certification. The next one is DevOps related certification. Third one is data science solution related certification. Fourth is field service functional consultants. Fifth is modern work challenge. Sixth number is voice engineer. Seventh is app maker and last one is operation analyst. By completing these challenges you can take a free certification, but there is a limitation. You can take only one certification. You have to complete your challenges, complete your free course, also modules. I will tell you how you can complete those modules later. After completing all the modules, you will be eligible for free certification voucher which you will get in your email ID. These challenges will end in 9th November. This challenge have started just now on 12th October and it will end on 9th November. The certification exam voucher will be sent to your email by 18 November. So this is the process. The certification voucher will end on February. You can see that means you can take a certification exam and take this certification by February 15, 2023. You can go through the link in the description and get more details about this. There is FAQ section also. If you see any issue, all the details and all the answers on specific questions are mentioned, so you can check them if you have any issue. There is also official rules section. Here you can see you can take only one certification by one email ID. You can check this later. There are some terms and conditions. You can check this later also. The major terms I have already told you. All the details are mentioned. Besides this, everyone is eligible to take this certification exam. On how you can register to this program, I will tell you this now. The same page link will be in the description. In description box there will be different challenges in front of you. Choose the certification which you want and select go to challenge on the certification. Going through the link, this page will open. Here you can see the challenge will closes in 25 days. That means you have to complete your free course in 25 days. After that, certification mail will be sent to you. You have to click to join this challenge. When you click, your Microsoft account details will be asked. If you already have Microsoft account, you can give details. Otherwise, you can create an account. After that, you can see I have already registered in Intelligent Cloud Challenge. You can choose by your own. Now click Start Learning. You can see there is 27 modules. That means the free course is divided into 27 parts. Now going through Continue Learning. This module will open. You have to complete this course module by module. Here you can see a leaderboard. You can also participate with them. Here you have to just complete your course, then you will get a free certificate. This is not that who complete this challenge first, only he gets certificate. Everyone will get certificate. Now click to start. You can see there are some lectures. You have to complete one by one. Whenever you complete this lecture, it will be marked as complete like this. Here you can see I have completed one module, 100% is mentioned. Total 9% of the course I have completed. You have to complete each and every module step by steps. After completing all the modules, when it will be 100%, it will be notified by mail within 24 hours that you have completed your challenges. Then you have to wait for 18 November. Till 18 November, you will get certification exam voucher in mail, which you can take Microsoft certification for free. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. You can also connect me on Facebook also. So this is for today's. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe this channel to get certification related updates like this.